So the majority of your websites are controlled via a web hosting panel called cPanel. Perhaps you use parts of it and maybe you don't, or maybe you're not even aware of it. The point is that this hosting panel can help you with your website operations. It can help you protect your website more efficiently, but oftentimes it goes unnoticed. It becomes underutilized or not even used. So the question is, how can you use cPanel's bigger features to take your website to the next level? How do you protect your content without needing another fancy script? And how do you protect your email from spam, or being abused, or being blacklisted? How do you install WordPress and other software applications with a few clicks of your mouse? How do you create a MySQL database and copy it to another website? How do you use Awstats to improve your traffic quality and your website? How do you redirect your error pages to any web page that you want on your site without losing your traffic? How do you access your file manager and use it effectively? How do you back up and restore your website? If you're interested in knowing the answers to any of these questions, then this video course will show you a more in-depth view of the features that cPanel provides and how you can take your website to the next level as well as protect your website business. Here's a quick video's overview of what's inside this video course. Video number 1 is the introduction. Video number 2 is the video tutorials feature that are besides this video course. Video number 3, we're going to talk about how to create a MySQL database and insert data into the database. Video number 4, we're going to talk about how to use Awstats to get a better idea of what's happening inside of your business. Video number 5, we're going to talk about what is Softaculous and how to use it. Video number 6 is going to be about how to set up your error pages, so when people come to your website and a page doesn't exist, instead of seeing an error message, which typically would throw them off and give them a bad first impression, how to redirect them to a working page. Video number 7, we're going to talk about how to use File Manager effectively. Video number 8, we'll talk about email authentication. And video number 9, we'll talk about how to back up and restore your websites, which is crucial to ensure that you're constantly up and running. You see, whether you are a new or old website owner, I guarantee you that you'll gain some great information from this simple and easy to understand video course on how to run your website better.